Programmers are one of the most sought after professions today. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics recently reported that programmers are in high demand and will see a 22% increase in employment by 2030, as compared to the 4% for other career options. It is essential to master the most popular programming languages if you are a programmer looking to improve your skills or a budding developer. There are nearly 9,000 programming languages available today. This can lead to confusion. You should be able to identify the most popular ones. Despite this, the most in-demand programming language in 2022 is Python. Many see Python as the future language for software development. It is used by more than 80% of programmers as their primary programming language. Its vast libraries allow data science, ML, and other processes to be performed. This programming language has many attractive features, including it is easy to learn or code with Python. Even children can take Python coding classes. Professional libraries and frameworks that can be used to support a wide range of software development applications. Python is used by major tech companies like Intel, Spotify, and Facebook. Python includes variants of programming languages like Java, Python, and CCPYDHON. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages on the World Wide Web. The client-side coding language is used by 95% of websites. JavaScript was originally developed for web browser development. It's still used today for server-side deployments. JavaScript was originally launched as LiveScript in 1995. JavaScript was originally launched in 1995 as LiveScript. It evolved into an independent language. JavaScript is often confused with JavaScript and shares many similarities to Java. However, they are two different programming languages. JavaScript is today's most used software development language. JavaScript programmers are in high demand. JavaScript has many benefits. It's simple to learn and use the language. JavaScript can be used anywhere on the internet, even in app development. The coding language is immediately available in client-side browsers, excellent for game development. HTML/CSS. HTML is a programming language that organizes the text and content on the internet. HTML is often used in conjunction with CSS because it can control the color, font, and position of web elements. Although HTML and CSS are in demand and easy to learn programming languages, building modern-day programs/websites/applications with the two alone is challenging. HTML/CSS developers often specialize in other programming languages. However, HTML/CSS skills are essential. Employers often check the HTML/CSS box when hiring programmers to work on their development projects. These two languages are among the most sought-after coding languages. SQL. Structured Query Language. SQL is a programming language that allows you to manipulate and manage databases. SQL is a domain-specific language that allows data management within relational database management systems or DBMS. This language is used primarily by programmers to find and retrieve data from databases. However, it can also be used to add, remove, update, or modify records. SQL is useful for creating sales reports, managing databases, and business management. It is a functional programming language that works well with smaller databases. It's not surprising that SQL is the third most popular programming language and used by more than 50% of developers. TypeScript. TypeScript was released in 2012 as a type JavaScript version. It supports all JavaScript libraries and programs. TypeScript is equipped with advanced features like type checks that provide easy validation and ensure that your codes are error-free. TypeScript is ideal for large web APL.